Ladies and gentlemen, did you enjoy the show? Oh no, let's try one more time. Did you really enjoy the show? Would you like to see some more?
Yes!
Oh no. Would you really like to see some more? Well, you'll just have to come back next week then. Well, ladies and gentlemen, at this time, your dining room team have sung for you, they have danced for you, and all of our entertainment here in the dining room is to help ensure that you have a vacation of a lifetime here on board the beautiful Adventure of the Seas. Now, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, we've done the singing and the dancing, and it is now time for us to ask all of you to please stand up. Each and every single person here in the dining room, please. You don't need to be shy tonight, and more than likely, you won't see most of these people ever again in your life. Because together, ladies and gentlemen, believe it or not, tonight, together, we're gonna dance. So, ladies and gentlemen, everybody on your feet, please. Because together we are gonna dance. Are you ready? We're gonna dance.